most important things to do in your projects is the preparation of the ground where you're going to build your pergola, your gazebo, whatever it is. So this is the area that I'm going to be using for pergola. As you can see, there are several pipes, valves, water hoses, a bunch of plants. An electrical outlet needs to be moved, and the grill, as well as quite a bit of rock down here, and the sprinkler timer on the back. So all of these needs to be prepped and get ready for the posts, which are going to be about 10 feet apart, which will give us a nice pergola here at the end. So as I go, I will explain the steps that I'll be doing to prep the work, to prep the area. And like in every project, it's always good to have a good helper to help you out.
Hey, helper?
And partner.
Helper?
And partner to help you with the project. You never know when you're gonna need a hand. I'm lifting something, putting something, cutting something.
And approving something.
And approving something.
Just
Most
kidding.
important. Okay, so we are almost done with the prepping of the area. As you can see here, we've cleared out all the gravel and the protective cloth, and we have done the markings for the footings. So because this is a freestanding pergola, we're gonna have to dig into the ground and put the post at least 2 feet underground. Okay, so now that we have the footings in place, we have to take care of another little issue here. We need to move it to the base of this post over here. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to cap off this electrical outlet, lower it down towards the ground, and then from inside over here, we can see the electrical pipe. So we're gonna make some cuts in there, and we're going to extend our electrical outlet. Okay, so a little recap. We have done we have moved the electrical outlets, and I have added an extra outlet. So this is here for the electrical part. I know this is not the main focus of this video, but I thought I included a little piece of it. Okay, see you next time. So we have made some progress. We finally finished setting the footings and the posts. You see, we have our frames here, which should be for the most part dried already. And remove all this. We have our electrical outlets in the back, just as we planned. And we've got to get this floor ready. We're going to put it all back together, and then we're going to start working on the top piece. And here we have handprints of my little ones. 6-year-old 8-year-old, and 3-year-old. Alex, Isabella, and Fernanda. All right, and now that we have all of our wood cut into pieces the way we want it, it's time to paint. What are we gonna do, kids? What are we gonna do, Isabella? Paint? What are we doing, Alex?
Paint.
And Fernanda, what are you doing today?
Paint.
Paint, yes. And mommy? We're going to manage the kids. All right, well, let's get started. Well, good morning. It's bright and early. The kids are still asleep. So I'm going to take advantage of that and start working on this piece. First, drink our coffee. We're ready. rafters. We'll start filling up the middle with more rafters. Then we have 6 more rafters. And after that, we'll do the smaller rafters on top.
Because it looks good like that. Without anything.
Without brackets?
I know that was another piece that I said.
I want it for stability. Especialmente que le voy a poner los otros arriba. I mean, they're not that heavy. And, I mean, this thing is pretty sturdy already.
That was a major thing. Like, I don't think he needs anything. It should just be like that. But he wanted to add some support, so like, okay, well, let's just add a little bit, not too many of it. Because initially it was going to be 3 on each post. Like 2 on each side. He wanted to have a wide 2 on each side and 1 in the middle. You know, that's way too much. Yeah, that's what he wants.
Today is a very special day. We have finished a pergola. This is a finished product. Let me share with you the intricate details of the pergola. Here we have made 2 beams spanning 12 feet across, end to end. The posts are 9 feet apart on the inside, which is perfect for the project that was coming up. We have about 8 feet tall on the first set of rafters, and about 8.5 feet tall on the second set of rafters. Beautiful white pearl exterior paint, Valspar with hardware from Oscar. I'll have all the details and description below. Please check them out. Awesome hardware. A little pricey, but if you want it to look like this or even better, I say you go with it. Whether you use white paint for your pergola or your project, or you use the regular wood stain, it will look outstanding and stunning.